Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 307, a 1-bedroom on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll notice is your kitchen on the right, with an electric oven and range, a microwave, a refrigerator, and a dishwasher. To your left is your large hall closet. On into the living room, you'll find 7 pieces of furniture, an armchair and an end table, a coffee table and a sofa, and a dining table with 2 chairs, as well as some additional built-in shelving on the back of the kitchen counter. This apartment faces west and has a large picture window that overlooks Cayuga Street. Every apartment is air-conditioned and has a heating element. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. On into the bedroom, where you'll find 5 pieces of furniture: a bookcase, a dresser, a full-size bed, and a desk and desk chair, as well as not just 1, but 2 additional closets. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a shower tub combo, and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Commons West Apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 307. Call us today for availability.